Hey, what's up? About 3 months ago, we posted a video about Pamu Z1 wireless earbuds. You can watch it by the link in description. We have tested Pamu Z1 with active noise cancellation and wireless charging support. However, there was also Pamu Z1 Lite version without ANC and wireless charging. It was the only difference between these earbuds. After a while, Pamu Z1 Pro version was released. At first glance, it looks very similar to Pamu Z1 because it also has ANC, wireless charging support, 10mm driver, Bluetooth 5.2 and other features. So let's do a full review of Pamu Z1 Pro and try to find out the differences with Pamu Z1. By the way, did you know about the very useful feature on YouTube called notification bell? You can hit the bell icon and select all to receive notifications about the new videos on our channel. As usual, let's start the review with unboxing. Pamu Z1 Pro earbuds come in this box. As you can see, their main features are active noise cancellation, a dual microphone and low latency. We can also read the other specifications in different languages on the back of the box. Inside, we have a charging case with earbuds, USB Type-C charging cable, silicone ear tips of different size, user manual and carry bag. You know, all the earbuds from Pamu have a carry bag in the package. I really like that. When I took Pamu Z1 Pro earbuds in my hands, I noticed a few differences from the previous version. First, the new earbuds come in a new color, bluish black. They are also available in white and green colors. The design of the charging case is also different. Pamu Z1 Pro doesn't have a replaceable belt, like the previous version. There is only Pamu logo and LED indicator on the front. USB Type-C charging port is at the bottom. The design of Pamu Z1 Pro earbuds looks the same as Pamu Z1, except the color. First, they have replaceable silicone ear tips. That's very good, because you can choose the right size of your ears. There are 2 pin charging contacts at the bottom and touch panel on the outside. By the way, Pamu Z1 Pro have some new control functions. We will talk about them a little later. You know, I like the series of Pamu Z1 wireless earbuds, because they are very comfortable. The earbuds have ergonomic design, so you can listen to music hours without any discomfort. They are also very secure to wear, so you can use them for sports. Talking about sports, the earbuds have IPX4 water resistance. Okay, now let's talk about control functions. It looks like the control functions of the new Pamu Z1 Pro earbuds are the same as the previous model. You can pause the music with single press on the touch panels. Switch to the next song with double tap on the right earbud and previous track on the left earbud. The long press on the left earbud calls a voice assistant on smartphone. Finally, a long press on the right earbud switches ANC modes. By the way, Pamu Z1 Pro have 3 noise cancellation modes, such as ANC on, ANC off, and transparency. However, you can also add a volume control function through the app on smartphone. Let's take a look at it. The app is called Pamu, and it is available on Android and iOS devices. In the app, you can check the battery level of the earbuds, switch ANC mode, choose equalizer sound effect, and a game mode. There are 6 sound effects available, such as pop, normal, rock, jazz, vocal, and classic. The game modes are low latency, ultra low latency, and close. You can also click on the personal settings to change touch control functions. Here we can add volume up and down on the double click or long press the left and right earbuds. That's very good, because I know that many people were disappointed that the previous Pamu Z1 earbuds didn't have volume control. Okay, I chose the ultra low latency mode in the app, and now let's check a latency in PUBG Mobile. You know, I can't tell you the number, but the sound delay in games is really low. Pamu Z1 Pro are very good for shooting games. Another feature of the new wireless earbuds is dual microphone and environmental noise cancellation technology. Let's check a microphone quality.
Hey guys, at this time I have Pamu Z1 Pro wireless earbuds, and now I'm testing their microphones. I have turned on the street noise simulation on my laptop. Do you hear any noise? I hope you don't. Write in the comments below, what do you think about microphone of Pamu Z1 Pro earbuds?
You know, you can forget everything I said before, because these earbuds are worth buying just because of the sound quality. It is amazing. However, I recommend you to listen to music with ANC on, because the sound is much better than in transparent or ANC off modes. If you like a deeper bass, then you can choose a pop sound effect in the app. If you want to listen to vocal music without strong bass, then select vocal mode. By the way, you can read about each sound effect on official website. For example, the manufacturer says that classic sound effect promotes the high and low frequencies and reduces the mid-range. It looks like the battery of Pamu Z1 Pro is the same as the previous Pamu Z1. The battery capacity of charging case is 500 mAh, while the battery have 45 mAh. The manufacturer promises 6 hours playtime on a single charge at 100% volume and ANC on. You can use the charging case for 3 extra charges, so the total battery life of Pamu Z1 Pro is 24 hours. You know, I am a little upset that I started 2022 with Pamu Z1 Pro earbuds, and this is not because they are bad, but on the contrary, they are great. Now I will be comparing all the next earbuds with Pamu Z1 Pro, and they will probably be worse. The new earbuds from Pamu are very comfortable, have a very good sound and battery life, as well as a companion app with sound effects. However, the price of $99 can be a little high for many people. What do you think? Are you willing to pay $100 for quality wireless earbuds? Write in the comments below. Thank you for watching. See you soon.